everybody, it's Ebony and I am back with my latest SheaMoisture Sheabassador box. Now this box is the Clarify and Hydrate box, and it contains 3 cleansers from the African Black Soap collection, as well as moisturizers from the 100% virgin coconut oil collection. And I'm really loving this box. It contains 6 full-size products, so let's get into them. The first one I have is the Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Foaming Facial Wash. Now this is made for blemish-prone skin. It contains tamarind extract, which is a natural astringent, African black soap to clarify, and bamboo charcoal to absorb oil and detoxify your skin. It also contains tea tree oil and menthol, which is going to leave your skin feeling really refreshed. To use this, all you have to do is take a few pumps and then add that to your damp skin and then just work in a circular motion. So I'm just going to be adding this with a little bit more water and working it into my skin for about 60 seconds. Now don't forget to tie your hair back or even use a couple of clips. Don't try to be all cute like me. Just grab a few pumps of this facial wash and just work it in circular motions all over your skin so that it can break up all of that oil and dirt from the day and leave your skin feeling really refreshed. So once you've fully cleansed your skin, just go ahead and rinse away all of that soap with cool water, and then just blot away the excess water with a paper towel. This next item I received is a silicone mask tool, and this is really great for applying masks and scrubs. They help to keep your skincare products sanitary and help you to apply an even layer of product. This next product is the Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. This is actually a 2-in-1 product that you can use to cleanse as well as exfoliate. To use this scrub, just simply add it to damp skin in an even layer and gently work the product all over your skin. This scrub contains tamarind extract and tea tree oil to exfoliate and soothe skin, as well as mango seed oil, palm kernel oil, black cumin seed extract, and willow bark extract. These key ingredients help to leave your skin feeling clean and refreshed instead of stripped and dry. The first item from the 100% virgin coconut oil line is the Daily Hydration Overnight Face Oil. This oil contains argan oil, castor oil, coconut oil, and evening primrose oil. A key ingredient is also Acacia Senegal, which improves texture of the skin and helps to smooth wrinkles and reduce puffiness. That's really great for me because when I wake up in the morning, my eyes can be really puffy, so this oil helps to keep that at bay. I like to smooth it all over and then gently press into the skin for optimal results. Okay, so now we have the Daily Hydration Face Lotion. This moisturizer has shea butter and coconut milk and is great for hydrating and softening the skin. This face lotion is really great for daytime and nighttime use, and it feels so soothing. To use, take a few pumps into your hands and just massage it into your skin in an upward motion. This lotion has a really soft, calming scent. It really makes you feel like you're giving your skin a real treat. And what I love about the 100% virgin coconut oil line is that it doesn't smell like coconut oil straight out of the jar. It really has like a soft, soothing scent, kind of like coconut milk, yet it's still subtle enough to not irritate your skin if you have sensitivities to fragrances in your skincare products. The third moisturizer in my Sheabassador box is the Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer. This moisturizer is super creamy yet very lightweight. It gives a soft glow to your skin and can really be used under makeup or on its own. As you can see, it gives like a subtle highlight to your skin. So this is really great for adding a pop of color to your skin during the winter months for a no makeup type of look. The last cleanser that I received is the African Black Soap Face and Body Bar. This is a classic SheaMoisture item. I've used this several times and it's great for those larger areas of your body to alleviate acne and any irritation. It's made of willow bark extract, tea tree oil, and shea butter. I also received this little handheld body scrubber. You can just pop that onto your hand in the shower or in the tub and just use it on any of those items that need just a little bit of extra loving and scrubbing. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review from my Sheabassador box featuring items from the African Black Soap as well as the 100% virgin coconut oil line. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment down below and thanks for watching.